On a cool fall day, how many of you like to enjoy a nice hot bowl of chili? In my house, we like to have seasonal dishes, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin chili and also with a side of cornbread. And that I'm not going to show you how to do that. You just follow the instructions on the cornbread Jiffy mix or whatever you guys like to use. So we're going to first prep all of our ingredients and get those on the side here. I have 1/2, or you can use a whole onion, chop that up. You need 1 pound of ground beef or turkey burger. You're going to use 1 can, this is 15 ounces of dark red kidney beans, and also the same size of pinto beans, and you'll rinse and drain those. And then here I have a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. We use about half of that. You can use more if you'd like. And then here I have a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We're also going to use olive oil to start and saute our onions. And I also have about 2 tablespoons of jalapeno and some minced garlic. That will also go in with our onion when we're sauteing. We need about a 1/4 cup of chili powder, and this I have pumpkin spice. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you can use cinnamon, and you're going to need about 1 teaspoon. I also have oregano and basil that I use to my heart's desire, put however much you want to your tasting. And then also Worcestershire sauce, and that you're going to need 2 tablespoons. All right, so next, what we're gonna do is cook our ingredients up. I have the onion sauteed, I added the garlic and the jalapeno. Those have softened, and now I'm gonna add my burger. And we're just gonna chop this up here. And while the hamburger's cooking, we're gonna add all of our ingredients. So you want your hamburger to be in small chunks or to your liking. So I'm just gonna let that cook up for a little bit. I'm gonna add in kidney beans into a pot. The pinto beans. Our diced tomatoes. And we're going to turn that pot on and let it get warmed here. All right, so now that I have my hamburger browned and the grease is drained from that, we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients. I am going to put 2 cups of water into the pot of chili. Give that some liquid substance. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire. If you like less or more, you can do so with any of these ingredients. We're going to put in the pumpkin pie seasoning, and that's 1 teaspoon, more or less if you'd like. And about the same amount of the oregano and basil. And then the 1/4 cup of chili powder. I don't measure that. I usually put a little bit more. We're gonna mix that up. Let that simmer. We'll add in our hamburger and our pumpkin puree. Once you give that a taste, if you want to add more pumpkin puree into that, you can. And then the next thing is we will serve. So lastly, but most importantly, is serving. You can top your pumpkin chili with sour cream or cheese. as they have cheese on theirs. And on the side, you might like to have a cracker or two, and as we have made cornbread here. You guys can go ahead and try your chili for me, please. So if you like a good fall dish, especially chili and pumpkin flavor, give this a try if you haven't already.